there, and welcome back to my Messy Blessed Life. I am Denise, and I have my little buddy. What's your name? Deolisaraga. So we just got back from a busy day on Sunday where I am running late. I do not have a chance to pick up the house before I head out. And today after church, we went straight to my mom's house. We actually had pizza for dinner. So we just got back home from my mom's house. So with that being said, I got home and I saw that the house was not picked up, and I cannot go to sleep with the house being not picked up. So I just decided to record what I do on a Sunday night for bedtime and for cleaning and stuff like that. I hope you guys continue to watch it, get that cleaning motivation going. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it if you liked it. And with that being said, let's get started. To my sink, my bathrooms, sinks and bathrooms, toilets, anything like that, I really don't like to use essential oils for cleaning or organic stuff like that cleaning. I like to use good old Clorox and Ajax. The house is not clean, the kitchen is not clean if my sink is not clean at the end of the day. So I will show you how I do it, and it's pretty simple how I do it. For my counters, I like to use Miss Meyer's multi-purpose surface cleaner with my granite gold cleaner on top of it. It just makes my counters pop and shine.
yet.
Did you eat yogurt and cheese?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you being good?
Hi, Daddy.
Are you being good?
Dale besito.
Huh?
Besito, besito. At the end of the night, every night when my kids finally go to sleep and I just stare at them, I feel so guilty for ever being cranky at them. I love you so much, my Matthew. Sweet dreams. My sweet little angel. Good night, my little Noah. I love you so much, and Mommy will be with you the whole night. Good night. Okay, so that is it for today's video. Sunday quick pickup, clean with me, toddler and infant bedtime routine. I had a lot of fun doing this. This was my first official clean with me video on YouTube. If you follow me from my Instagram account, you know that I do all day clean with me on my IG stories, but I have now transitioned to this, and it was a lot of fun. A lot more work than Instagram for sure, but it was a lot of fun to do this for you guys. And now I get to enjoy my me time, my mommy time, with some housewives, a little bit of housewives before bedtime. And after that, I will probably take a nice long warm shower and get a little bit of scripture in before bedtime. That way I just feel completely zen and relaxed before bed. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video once again. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like this video, share it if you liked it. I will leave my my name on my Instagram right here and on the description down below. And that is it. I hope you guys have an awesome Sunday. Good night, and that is it.